Hey guys, this is Vakar Bucks from For Everyone. In this video, we are going to look at the origin of 3D printing, from where it came and where it is going. So let's get started. Before knowing the origin of 3D printing, let's understand what 3D printing actually is. In short, 3D printing is a process where we can create real three-dimensional object like this and like this. So let's see from where this tech originated. The first person who described us about the layer by layer process of 3D printing was Dr. Kodama in 1980. But he did not file the patent for it due to some reason. And in 1983, an inventor named Chuck Hull invented a process called stereolithography, which is also known as 3D printing. And a year later, he filed a patent for it, and 2 years after that, he started his own company called 3D Systems. After that, Scott Crumb, the co-founder of Stratasys, filed a patent of FDM 3D printing technique. Here, FDM stands for Fused Deposition Modeling, and in today's time, the most commonly used technique of 3D printing amongst us all hobbyists is the FDM 3D printing technique. And the year 1990 was the decade where medical researchers started to combine 3D printing with medicine. And 10 years later, people saw the first 3D printed human organ, which was a kidney. And in 2004, the RepRap project was initiated, after which the 3D printing's popularity got increased and it became accessible for other people also. In 2008, 3D printing got even more media coverage due to its one more medical innovation, which was a 3D printed prosthetic limb. You might be thinking that till now the medical industry has taken the benefit of 3D printing, but what about the other industries? So, when the patent of FDM technique was expired, it opened a whole new way for the innovation in this field of 3D printing. And in 2010, the first 3D printed prototype car was made, which was named as Irby. And in 2011, people even started 3D printing food. And in 2013, SpaceX successfully fired its Draco engine by using a 3D printed chamber. And in 2014, NASA even took the 3D printer into the space and they used it for making parts up in the space. They had a specialized 3D printer which was able to print in zero gravity. And today in 2018, there are many 3D printer companies such as Ultimaker, MakerBot, Prusa, and so many more. And there are lots of innovation which has to be done in this industry, and there's a long way to go. So that's it for today's video, guys. Please comment down below what would you like to 3D print in a 3D printer, and please subscribe to this channel, share this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll meet soon in the next one.